Just let me lay out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive. I wanna stay out in your paradise. Don't wanna be found. You got me floating now.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome to my very inconsistent YouTube channel. I am coming to you live from my kitchen. I have had one video request, you guys. You guys know that I suck, I don't suck, but I am so bad at pumping out consistent YouTube content. I haven't posted in like 8 months. Sorry, that's my fault. But I have had one video request that you guys continue to ask me for on my Instagram. So if you're from my Instagram, thank you for following me. If you aren't from my Instagram, I will link it down below. Go follow me. Look at all my fun stuff on there. But everyone wants to see how I make my avocado toast. So today is the day that you get this content. Today is the day that I'm going to show you guys how I make my avocado toast. Some people call it an open face sandwich, whatever you want to call it. I call it my avocado toast because I'm obsessed with it, and I probably eat it every single day. And yeah, so you guys are going to see how I make it. Okay, so this is literally all you need. Avocados. I like to get the really soft ones because it's easier to like mash up. And then you guys, this bacon, it's Trader Joe's Black Forest bacon. It's the best freaking bacon. It's thick, it's awesome. Trader Joe's large brown organic eggs. And the bread I use, you guys, write this down. This is Trader Joe's everything ciabatta rolls. It's like an everything bagel, but on a ciabatta roll. It's so freaking good. I'm obsessed. So this is what you need. This is all you need. This is literally it right here. The first thing I like to start off with is cooking the bacon because it takes longer to cook than everything else. And then as I'm doing that, I can make my avocado mix. So basically what I do is I just cut the bacon in half, like in the pack. And this is not the healthiest meal by any means. Not stating that this is healthy at all. So there's my bacon cut in half. I just put it like in my own container. I do like, I don't know. I just eyeball it. Some freaking butter in there. Put some butter in there. Shake it up. Nothing special. Do that, and then I take 2 pieces of bacon, but it's chopped in half, so it's like 4 mini pieces, just so it fits on the bread better. Literally just slap those on. And honestly, I just eyeball everything, so I don't know how long these go on for. Oh. Slap those on. Boom. I got the bacon going. This is where the fun happens. So as the bacon is cooking, I like to get my avocado ready. Basically, what I do is I will cut the avocado. This is like the avocado spread part that you put in the bread. I like to get the really squishy avocados just because it's easier to mash up, and it's like a spread. It's not gonna be like pieces of avocado. So I will just cut that. It's a good avocado. Take the pit out. You're gonna get a bigger spoon like this. I literally just take it from there, put it right in the bowl. So it'll look like that. Take it from the pit, put it in the bowl. And then I'll take my other side and do the same thing. And you just scrape out whatever's left. And this is optional. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I will put diced onions into the bowl as well. Sometimes I also put like diced tomatoes. So I just sprinkle in like, I don't know, it's just like a little, it's like a little half of a handful maybe. And it looks like that. So then I do black pepper, just a little bit of that, a little bit of Lawry's seasoning, a little bit of garlic salt, and then some Himalayan pink salt. And then I just mush it up. Literally, you just mash it like this till it looks something like that. We have that put set aside. I go over and check the bacon. Really, just see, I turn it over. And that's like really what I like to look like, what I want it to look like. So I'll just cook the other side until it gets like that. And then wait for that to cook. So probably give it like 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And then I let that cook. Okay guys, so my bacon is done. I just put it like on this napkin so that it soaks up the grease. And now I'm gonna cook my egg. I went ahead and put my ciabatta bread in the toaster already. So yeah, this is basically how I cook my eggs. I'm gonna get some oil on the pan. So basically I just get some oil on the pan. Do that jazz. And then I just crack an egg. So as those eggs are cooking, you're gonna wanna go ahead and season them. I do black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, garlic salt. And you guys, not a lot. Like, you want to use the tiniest bit of everything. And then this is the holy grail. If you guys don't have this, if you guys don't have this seasoning, you need it. It is the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So good. I use a lot of this stuff because I like it. Should look like that. And you guys, this is a secret ingredient no one knows about. Are you ready? Okay. I can get it open with one fucking hand. Parmesan cheese. Parmesan freaking cheese. So I use this kind, Trader Joe's Parmesan. I use everything Trader Joe's. And I just sprinkle like however much I want that to. Okay, now you're gonna wanna plate everything, like put it all together. This is like my favorite freaking part. So I have like my toast. I have my toast on my plate. I just use a little bit of light butter. And spread that. It's tricky with the bread, but you're gonna have to spread that. And then I do the spread. So I take the avocado spread and I just use a spoon and I literally just coat the bottom of the bread with this. Oh my god, you guys, this is my favorite. And you can use however much you want to. I use a whole avocado, but I split it up into 2 servings. So like this one avocado will give me 2 recipes of this. And then I take my bacon. I'll take my bacon, put it on the avocado on both sides like this. And then I put my egg on top. I'll take my egg, put that on top. And then I will, this is the kicker, if you guys know. And then I just top it off with some sriracha. And that's it. It should look like this. Oh my god, it almost fell. Ah! Let's do a taste test. It's so good. It's so good. Like, it's so simple, as you saw. It literally takes like 10-15 minutes. It's so simple. It's my favorite breakfast recipe. And it's, I don't know, it's not healthy, but whatever. I don't care. It's so freaking good. And you guys should try it. I will link everything down below. Whatever you guys want. If you guys want more recipes, let me know. I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned for the next YouTube video. I'm gonna be filming a lot more. Ain't that right, Peanut? Whoa! Princess likes the avocado toast too, okay? But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys like this video, let me know down below in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn your post notifications on because I'm gonna be posting a lot more, and I want you guys to know when I post. So yeah, stay tuned, and thank you guys.